What's up, guys? Okay, the microphone. 0 noise reduction, 0 reverb. We'll see how it sounds. I think the noise reduction is what is messing up my sound. Kind of maybe that muffle sound, if that makes sense. I think it's what you call it. But we'll see how it does. Anyways, in this video I want to talk about fuel storage. Not so much pump, just mainly fuel storage. I know it's about fuel storage, but anyways, if inlet. Theoretically, I don't have to talk louder either because I've got the microphone. And then theoretically, noises like that would not be overly noisy because the microphone wouldn't pick it up. We're going to move some stuff around here, supposedly. Because I think I have my tank issue figured out. Or at least semi-figured out. Oh, I'm not going to have enough room or enough hose. The son of a biscuit. I need just a few more feet. Oh, we're getting somewhere now. Oh, we got no power. Hold on a second. Yep, tired of waiting on that pump. guess it's too cold and too thick for that Harbor Freight pump. Either that or I've lost prime. I messed with that Harbor Freight pump for several minutes. 12 minutes and 2 seconds actually I messed with that other pump. We're already pumping oil with this thing. I do like the air pump. I just try to use that Harbor Freight pump when possible. I think it's easier on my obviously easier on my compressor. If my compressor will kick up here. Let's get you set up here. Compressor's got to build air. I forgot, I posted in one of my other videos about it, the size of the compressor. I don't remember it off the top of my head, but usually it stays at 55 PSI to run this pump. There's some sludge and stuff out of the metal tank it's pumping in right now. And that's part of the reason I'm getting rid of those metal tanks. They're too hard to clean out when they get sludge in them. You know, these totes, which is what the camera's sitting on, it's easier to see, they're easier to clean. I like them a lot better. And I actually will probably just use that, at least, you know, for now. I don't know how much I want to keep here. I'd like to keep at least a tote of bad fuel and at least 1 or 2 totes of oil to let them settle. That way 1 tote of oil has time to settle completely before, you know, use one, let one settle. When the first one gets done, switch around and work on the second one and start filling the other one, you know, to give some settling time. You know, it's been freezing here, but it is actually like 62 degrees right now. I think I'm in the bottom of the sludge right now. But these metal tanks I'm getting rid of. This tank right here has a hole in it. I got a buddy that wants that for a smoker. The other tank I've got for sale on Facebook Marketplace. If any of you all want it, you know, I'm in Central Kentucky, let me know. I'll sell it cheap. We'll kind of pull that. And see, I don't know how many gallons of oil are in there. I don't think a tremendous amount. It is pumping just slow. The one thing about the metal tanks, you can put a 4x4 underneath of it and it will tilt the tank. Yeah. Getting the sludge at the bottom of that tank. I was trying to think of how much oil I actually have. I used some for some other stuff. We have an audience. Hello, girls. Or guys. It's kind of boring just watching oil pump. One thing I noticed about the wand, it is just a square cut or just a regular fitted pipe, and it needs to be have a little groove in it. This tank right here is dirty, water contaminated fuel. We'll let that run for a minute and let it get through. Like I say, these big metal tanks right here, I'm taking them back over to my brother's house. We use them just for whatever storage, fuel, water, whatever. So I'm taking them back, getting rid of this tank. That tank I've got for sale. I'm switching everything to totes. I know a lot of people use totes, but I thought these may be better. Also, these drums, depending on how full they are, expand and contract quite a bit. So I want to get away from that. Like I say, it has my go-to stuff over there now. And once I get some better totes, I will actually be transferring out of there into some clean white totes. Those have been outside for years and years, but they were free. That's one reason why I took them. So, like I said, that's kind of what I got going on. I'm pretty much out of oil, so I've got to get some more oil so I can make some more fuel, so I can drive the truck more, even though it needs a master cylinder or a hydro boost. I think it's the hydro boost that's leaking. But just wanted to do just a little quick how I've decided to do my tanks. I am sticking with the totes. And we'll go from there. You guys be good and be safe, and we'll catch you next time.